Okay guys, you're welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Studies. So what we're looking at today is how to convert from centigrade to Fahrenheit, or from Fahrenheit back to centigrade. So to make this impossible, to be able to convert it from Fahrenheit to centigrade or from centigrade to Fahrenheit, we need a formula which is F minus 32 all over 9 equal to C over 5. So here in this formula, this F here represents Fahrenheit, while this C here represents centigrade. So let's take our first example. Let's convert 78 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees centigrade. Okay, so using our formula, F minus 32 all over 9 equal to centigrade over 5. So fixing our value, 78 Fahrenheit minus 32 all over 9 equal to centigrade over 5. So 78 minus 32 is 46 all over 9 equal to centigrade over 5. So we cross multiply. So 46 times 5 equal to 9C. So is equal to 230 equal to 9C. So we divide. Therefore degrees centigrade equal to 230 over 9. Therefore degrees centigrade equal to 25.5. So to convert our 78 degree Fahrenheit to centigrade will give us 25.5 degree centigrade. Okay, so let's take some more examples so that we all can be clear with it. Okay, so let's move on. Let's convert from centigrade to Fahrenheit this time. Okay, so let's convert 64 degrees centigrade to degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so still using our formula, F minus 32 all over 9 equal to centigrade over 5. Okay, so fixing our value, F minus 32 all over 9 equal to 64 over 5. Okay, so we cross multiply. Fahrenheit minus 32 equal to 64 times 9. Okay, so 5 Fahrenheit minus 160 equal to 576. So we cross multiply. This one will move over to this side. So 5 Fahrenheit equals 576 plus 160. Therefore 5 Fahrenheit equal to 736. Therefore Fahrenheit equal to 736 over 5. So let's make use of our calculator. Okay, so equal to 147.2 degree Fahrenheit. Okay guys, should we take some more examples? Please guys, before we continue, please do like this video, and also please click on the red subscribe button, and also click on the post notification bell. Thank you guys, I love you guys. Okay guys, let's take one more example. So convert 100 degree Fahrenheit to degree centigrade. Okay, so using our formula again, which is F minus 32 all over 9 equal to centigrade over 5. So in our equation we have 100 degree Fahrenheit convert to centigrade. So fixing our value, 100 minus 32 all over 9 equal to centigrade over 5. So 100 minus 32 is 68 over 9 equal to centigrade over 5. So we cross multiply. So 68 times 5 equal to 9c. Okay, so 68 times 5 is 340 equal to 9c. Okay, so our c equal to 340 over 9. Let's make use of our calculator. That will give us c equal to 37.7 degrees centigrade. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please do click on the red subscribe button and also put up your post notification bell so you can get notified anytime I drop a new video. I love you guys. Still your boy Chubby.